persistence pays off. During this desperate time, nature gives the cats a lucky break. But at the same time, it deals its cruelest hand. A 5-year-old youngster loses his way. His trumpeting cries go unheard by his family. He can't outrun the lions, and his tusks are too small to use as weapons. The lionesses drive the 2-ton animal to the ground and hold him down. Although the lionesses are expert buffalo killers, they have never tried to kill an elephant. Their efforts are clumsy and ineffective. Their teeth can't penetrate his 1.5-inch thick skin, and his neck is too wide to strangle. So they attack the soft, vulnerable spots. Without a muzzle to suffocate, they try to hold his trunk. Unable to kill the elephant, they start to eat it alive. That first taste of meat, after almost a month of starvation, revives their stamina, and they fight for the right to every mouthful.